This old guy DIY video has to do with restoring the tension on a windshield wiper arm on a 2003 Chevy Tahoe. So in this particular vehicle, you can see that there's next to no tension. I don't know if the spring was bent by a prior owner or exactly what's going on, but I'm going to remove the windshield wiper arm and see if in fact I can make this better. To remove the windshield wiper arm, let's take a screwdriver and pop under this little cover. We'll disconnect this line for the wiper fluid. And there's a 13mm nut beneath that cover that I have to remove. And then I'll pop the arm off. So as you might expect, 16 years later, the arm did not want to pop off. So I put the screwdriver beneath the arm and just kind of pried down on the cowl. I put the nut back on to protect the stud, and I just whacked that a couple of times with a hammer while applying pressure to the screwdriver, and it popped up. So when I removed this wiper that did not have enough tension to stay on the windshield, I found the C-clip. Basically it's a piece of spring steel, and I measured it. It's 1.467 inches right now, and when it's in position, it just sticks behind this little spot here. But when it's in position right now, it provides absolutely no tension on the windshield wiper. So what I intend to do is just take it down and put it in the vise until it provides some tension. I'll measure it and tell you what my final dimension was, and that'll be that. I just put this little piece of steel into the vise. I'm just going to close the vise up a little bit, crush the thing down. I suspect that the arm lost its tension due to either being run across ice and snow, or the wiper may have been caught in a car wash and pulled up. But either way, I'll put some more tension on this clip and see if it fixes it. So I put that little metal clip in the vise, and when I removed it, it read 1.467 inches. I squeezed it together enough that it took both hands and a little bit of tension to hook one end here into the spring and the other end into the aluminum stop. So right now in its unstressed state, it has a little bit of bend in it, and everything is tight. So I'm going to put this back on the vehicle and see if I fix the problem. Since the wiper didn't want to come off, and if things go well, the wiper will not be removed from the vehicle for another 13 years, I put some of this Mission silicone paste on there, and I just put it around the stud, rub it on with my finger, put some on the splines there, and we should be good to go.